Alright guys, welcome to your Week 19, Week 18 Marvel Rally. Go ahead and we'll do our little course preview. So we've got a big funnel, a few funnels. We've got like a colander and some silly straws at the end. So, should be pretty fun. We'll go ahead and we'll get started. Alright, so down the funnel we go. Let's see who's coming in first down this funnel. Let's see if we can't follow one of them. Got a lot of people fighting for first, but we got Tommy Russell out of the gates. He is head of the pack, and he is going strong into, looks like it's a cannon that's going to shoot him into this screener-like device, and yep, he is just way ahead of the pack. Alright, he goes straight through and straight down. Alright, Mr. Russell looks like he may have it. Oh, here comes the rest of the crew. And we got some lead changes. We've got Darnell. Got a bunch of people falling off. But we got Darnell followed by Tyler. And on the other side, looks like we got LaRon coming through. And we got LaRon and Darnell there, just neck and neck. And who is going to be the first one out? Looks like there's some movement. Bruce. And we got LaRon and Gabriel and Darnell. And first one in is Mr. Rainey. So congratulations, Darnell, followed by Tommy, Lawrence, DeMel. Excellent. That is your Week 18 Marvel Rally. And you guys have a great day.